Okay, so now we will handle the facing of the player. So let's just copy this function name, and right here inside this update function we will paste it and add a semicolon. Now write down below in here the temp scale will be equals to transform dot local scale. This will get us the local scale and it will be equals to the temp scale. Then after this, let's just copy all of this, paste it down below, and then the transform dot local scale will be equals to the temp scale. And then in here we will say if the if the transform dot position dot x is greater than the player target dot position dot x. So if it is greater, then we will simply say temp scale dot x, and this will be equals to mathf dot abs, and then we will pass the temp scale dot x. And then for the else part, we can just simply copy this and paste it down below, and we will change this to negative. So this is really a simple way to change the facing direction of the player or the enemy. So now let's just simply save this, get back to Unity, and right here now if we play the game and let the enemy come to us. Now if we move on this side, now as you can see the enemy changes the direction, as you can see. So this means that the facing direction is now working. And if we move back to the Visual Studio, right here just simply copy this function name and right down below this animation we will paste it and add a semicolon. And now if we test it again, as you can see the facing is now working perfectly.